How to use electric balloon pump at home. Here's the electric balloon pump. It has two nozzles for air, an on-off switch to start the pump, an electric wire with a plug to power it up. Unwrap your amazing party Propz decor kit. Flip the on-off switch to start the pump. Listen to the sound as it powers on. This nozzle is automatic. Attach the balloon to the nozzle. Hold it in place. And flip the switch to inflate. Once inflated, simply tie up the balloon and get ready to decorate. Inflate the balloon using the automatic nozzle without needing to use the on-off switch.